Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix TikTok payment method problem. So if you're having problems to pay on your TikTok, even if it's like a withdrawal problem or if you're having problems to pay on TikTok, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just open up your TikTok app on your phone and then come to your profile right here as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do in here is to just click on the three lines in the top right corner. So just click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to view some of these alternatives in here. And in here, we're just going to click on settings and privacy. So just click on settings and privacy, and it should now take you to this page. Now on this page, just simply scroll down in here until you can see where it says report a problem. So just click on it. And we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to load. Now, as you can see, when it has loaded, you're going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to click on TikTok balance, scroll down again, and click on other in here. Just simply now wait and then click on other again. Then click on need more help in here. And now you're just going to write like this, report a problem. So just write like this, report a problem. Submit a ticket. Now click there. Now you need to write like this to the support. I am having issues with paying on TikTok. Or if it's withdrawing, then you have to write, of course, withdrawing money on TikTok. I am not able to pay. I need this to be fixed. So just write like this. This is what I did myself, by the way, and this worked for me. So just write like this. I am having issues with paying on TikTok. I am not able to pay. I need this to be fixed. And then just wait 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to actually look through this issue for you and then try once again. And hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.